First things first, I want to make some coffee. My 502 box I just built for it. This is a coffee for McCaffrey. I lost him this week to the funeral Wednesday. So this is a 502 that I got from him. We were yakking and I said something about, yeah, I gotta find me one of these 502s. I don't have one. And then at the same time, I had an old mower that I was gonna sell. And he just so happens to need a mower. So he showed up with his 502 and he liked to trade, so heck, I traded him a mower for it. I had got a new one, and this one, it was an old one. There we go. So I said I took this one all apart, cleaned it up. I really think, I say it every time, I'm going to try to pack light for the turkey foot. I'm really thinking this stove is you got a couple little accessories I could put over it. This may be my stove I take. So we're going to French press some coffee. Got my lantern going. I'm gonna have my coffee in my McCaffrey cup. Good guy. Gonna miss him. So yeah, I got a stand I'm working on. I'll set over top of this so I could throw a cast iron skillet up there. I could actually set my Coleman oven on top of it. And I've got a short griddle. I think the griddle will set on it too. So we'll see. That's coming videos. So I'm on the back. Hold on. There, let's see if audio is any better. I forgot I had a rock tumbler running. I don't even notice it anymore because it's on all the time. But now I'm working on downsizing my camp. So now I've spent so much time setting up camp, I can just set it up and then I can visit. So, this is a Dietz number 8 air pilot. McCaffrey gave me that turkey foot. I don't think it had ever been lit. It was all dusty, dirty, but he got it at a auction or something. So this actually hangs in the house off to the side of the wood stove. So whenever I light a fire in the winter in there, I light that thing because it just kind of like I like the glow that it puts off. I've got 2 other ones I got from him. I paid him for those because he had a hardware store down there where he lived that he could pick those up pretty cheap, brand new. So I got 2 of the great big ones. Okay, I'm going to bring you back here in a minute when the water starts to boil. So almost there. I'm going to put some coffee in. My little coffee spoon. Carved that out, a piece of yellow pine. Take my chopstick, stir it a little bit. She's almost there. I have to tinker with the stove a little more. It's like a really good simmer right now, but it doesn't want to. It doesn't want to get a lot crazier than that. I think we're there. I'll let that just set for a few minutes. So, I got some more videos coming. I'm working on a Discata tractor disc. I've got to weld up the hole in the middle. So it's just about seasoned up. I'm going to try to do a breakfast on it. I got a couple other things. I got to go pick up some stuff tomorrow. Working on some other stuff. I'll show all that to you in a video. I know that's going to be hot. Okay, this one's from McCaffrey. She's hot. Alright, thanks everybody for watching. If you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe button. I know when I looked the other day, 85% of the people watching my videos aren't subscribed. Doesn't cost you anything, helps me out. Hit the like button, share it with your friends. We'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.